these powers of i's. I included sort of a smaller number here just so we already know, right? We already know from the list that I to the 8 is going to equal 1, right? Okay, I to the 8 is going to equal is going to equal 1. So so let's take a look at this thing. So if we say that yeah, because we know that, yeah, because basically this is it, right? I, right, 1 I squared, right, equals negative 1. I cubed equals negative I to the 4th equals 1, right? Okay, so this is the pattern, right? And if you ever get lost, just look at this pattern. Don't be afraid to rewrite this, okay? So I to the 8 is gonna be 1 according to this pattern. So let's try that. So 8, right, divided by 4, right, gives you 2, and a remainder of 0. Okay? So if we have a remainder of 0, what do we know that it's going to be? Well, we just know that it's going to be a 1, right? Right? 4 divided by 4, it doesn't have any remainder, so we know that's going to be 1. So I to the 8 equals 1. Okay? So let's try this crazy number here, okay? So, and actually for that, I'm going to actually clear a nice little space here for it. Okay? Okay, so again, I would recommend using long division. It just will keep you out of trouble. Okay, so let's take, this is 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8, right? We're dividing that through by what? 4, right? So now we start our long journey of dividing by 4. So we do 1, right? Becomes 1. Drop it down to 8, right? Drop that 8 down, right? That goes in 4 times, 16. You get 2, okay? And drop down 25, right? What does that go in 6 times, right? 24. We get our 1 again, right? Drop our 8, right? So, and obviously we see what the pattern is, right? But we keep on going anyway, right? 2, because we want to go all the way to the end because we don't care about this number, we care about the remainder. Okay, 2 looks like it's going to happen one more time. Right, so that becomes 6, right, 24, right, and then we drop down our final 8, right, and we put 4, right, and here, after all this, we don't care about this number. What we care about is this number, right here. That is the number we care about, remainder 2, right, remainder 2, what do we know, right, I to the 1 equals I to the 2 equals negative 1. So we know that I to the 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8 equals negative 1. Now that looks very much like you're simplifying, simplifying a complex number. Okay, so yes, so that's that's a good skill to have. You know, knowing how to simplify these things down, so when you start doing the, you know, some even more complicated problems, that you'll be able to get your expressions to nice, easy, nice-looking, simple equations and help you solve even more complicated problems. Okay, so that's it, and thank you very much for using Educator.com.